Madam, have you heard about FemeBold Tea? It's not just your regular tea. It is a sacred blend of herbs. Powerful herbs that are household names in the ancient Chinese traditional medicine. They speak directly to your feminine body. From the moment you sip them in, your body, your womb feel seen. This tea supports your health from puberty to post-menopause. Whether you are dealing with hormonal imbalances, PMS, irregular cycles, PCOS, issues with fibroids, and are you going through menopausal period with hot flashes, insomnia, low energy, overweight, and all the likes? FemeBold Tea help you transition like a breeze through this turbulence. Herbs like donquai root, stevia, ashoka bark, red raspberry leaf, and many more. They help tone the uterus, balances hormones, and ease those discomforts that you go through. So no more being scared whether the monthly period is coming or I'm getting old. Getting into menopause will no longer be a scare. So grab a cup of FemeBold and revamp your inner well-being, the vitality and vigor that you are made for. And if you are there, you want to look beautiful. You know, we women, we don't want to get old. You want to remove those wrinkles, fine lines. FemeBold Tea can support you to have a skin that glows. FemeBold Tea makes you age backward, not forward. So you look younger for your age. How about that? And the best part is gentle, caffeine-free, and blends beautifully with your daily self-care routine. Pour a cup, breathe deep, and sip it in, and allow nature to do her magic. Your womb deserves this kind of love. So are you there? You want to try out FemeBold Tea, or you want to learn more about how it works? Drop me a message with the link below and I get back to you.